Sasa mtu ambaye ameshika mamlaka, amekuwa deputy president katika Kenya hii, wewe unatoka hapa una export ukabila kule United States kwa diaspora, unaenda huko unasema you just want to address people in one language. Sasa ile shida yetu hapa, you are now exporting to the Kenyans who live in the diaspora. The bad manners you have here, you are taking to the diaspora. Bure kabisa. Because we cannot say that you now, and the Kenyans in the diaspora have been united. Because when you are in a foreign land, your best neighbor is the Kenyan that you know. And you don't look at his tribe. And there is a lot of intermarriage of Kenyans in the diaspora. Ikiwa ni America, UK, Saudi Arabia, wapi? Wa Kenya ni kitu kimoja. Sasa mtu anatoka hapa, you are going to preach tribalism there. Na hawa wa Kenya wetu in the diaspora, they know how to support each other, they have intermarried, kama kuna shida, they unite irrespective of the tribe to help that person. Now you come and unapanda ndege, you pay a ticket for almost 1 million shillings, you are taking tribalism to the diaspora.